Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the Tabs widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let's see the overview of a tab widget. The Tabs widgets is a single content area with multiple widgets. It groups a number of widgets in one place, which reduces the design area of a dashboard. Tabs organize dashboard widgets into logical groupings. It makes your workflow more efficient by creating quick access to the widgets and information that you use the most. Let's get into configuring the Tabs widget. Drag and drop it from the toolbox into the design panel. Resize the widget as required. Next, you can add multiple widgets to tabs in 3 ways. First, configure the Tabs widget by dragging some widgets from the toolbox and configuring them with the required data. Secondly, drag and drop the already configured widgets from the Dashboard Designer canvas into the Tabs widget. Lastly, drag and drop existing panel widgets into the Tabs widget. Next, you can add or remove tabs by using these options shown. Here, see, I have already configured the Tabs widget with multiple widgets. Now, let's start formatting the Tabs widget using the settings on the Properties panel. Under Basic Settings, the Tab Order property is used to rearrange the order of all the tabs. Using this arrow icon, place the tab order upwards or downwards. Here, see the result in the Tabs widget. Next, you can rename the tab using the Edit icon option. You can also use the widget order to change the order in which they overlap over one another in a tab, that is, you can customize the widgets to be shown in the front and the back. You can also hide the tab's header based on your requirement. The color of the header can be changed by choosing a color from the header color, and the size of the tab's font changed by selecting the header font size option. Using the Active Tab option, you can select and set a default tab when the dashboard is rendered. Now, let's move on to the inter-widget linking support. This helps mark a master widget and link it with multiple tabs. You can also switch the tabs in the Tabs widget based on the selected index value of the master widget. The supported master widgets that can be linked with Tabs widget are Combo Box, List Box, KPI Card, Number Card, and Radial Gauge. Here I have configured both the master widget and tab widget. I will enable the inter-widget linking option on the master widget's property panel. Using this support, you can configure default and custom action options for each tab's widget. When the default action is selected, the tab will be switched based on the index value of the master widget. When a custom action is selected and a value specified, tabs in the current widget will switch to the specified tab. Likewise, you can also use tabs to organize dashboard widgets into logical groupings. It makes your workflows more efficient by creating quick access to the widgets and information that you use the most. Please leave a comment with any questions you might have, or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.